Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find your comment history on Instagram. So let's go ahead and talk about this. And first off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. But why would you want to find your comment history on Instagram? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you want to check on someone's Instagram account and you want to see what they've been commenting on. Or maybe you place a comment on someone's account and you want to go ahead and delete that. Whatever the case is, let's go. So I'm on the Instagram right now. Now, if I want to find the comment history in Instagram, I will click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then click the three lines in the upper right corner. Click on the activity. Okay, once you're here, click there and you're going to get your activity menu on Instagram. But in order to see your comments history in the Instagram account, click this interactions. Alright, now here you have options on comments like stories, surprise. So let's open one. For example, the comments. Then it's going to show all the different posts that you have placed comments on. And once you find that, you can go ahead and delete some comments if you wish to do so. Or if you just want to see that post you had commented on in the past. So there, you have it, guys. So if you're looking to find comment history on Instagram, I hope this helps. And if you have questions, put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.